This season, Concordia University Irvine is joining the flock as the official education partner of the Anaheim Ducks. For nearly 50 years, Concordia University Irvine has been serving Orange County, shaping leaders, empowering students, and strengthening our community. As an NCAA Division II institution, Concordia is committed to excellence on the field, in the classroom, and beyond. Concordia is also a founding partner of OC Vibe, committed to the future of entertainment in Anaheim, here to stay and here to serve. Together, Concordia University Irvine and the Anaheim Ducks are building a legacy of education, community, and championship spirit for generations to come.